Came here last night in the pitch black, couldn't see a thing, and just woke up, had a little bite to eat, and all around me is just this amazing landscape. I've got Llyn Ogwen behind me, and up there that's Tryfan. That's a really popular peak up there, so I might try and summit that bad boy today. That's going to be my mission, so I'm going to pack up shop, get everything all in my backpack, and just make my way up there somehow. It's going to be really good today. This is one heck of a scramble up here. I was had to stop, I couldn't keep going anymore. I'm really out of shape this year. Views are really spectacular, but man, am I out of shape. A bunch of younger people just sped past me and I'm like, I can't keep going. Really like big rocks, lots of big gaps, lots of things to jump, just really big boulders and a big field of scree to pass, and we're not even halfway up yet, so just had to have a break. My heart was like boof, 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 boof. I felt a little bit sick, but I can do it. Started to rain, so I'm filming on my phone now, so apologies for the sound, but I'm on the north face. Come around the side and the only way is up, but it's literally just cliffed out behind me, so wow, it's just loads of like big slippery rocks and little mini trails that kind of end at dead ends, so I think I've just got to scramble up here and hope for the best. I don't know where I'm going. Whew! That was crazy. It was like technical rock climbing a little bit, and then I mean, I'm just gonna kind of go on this bit of bushy bit and then scramble up to that bit, and I think that's the summit there. Whew! This is more technical than Everest Base Camp. So I just came from down there, and then there was just literally a crack with moss on it and a bunch of branches to cling onto, and that literally scared the bejesus out of me. Whew. I don't know how I did that, but yeah, it's not that crazy, but you know, that's the summit there, I think, unless it's a false one. And there's another one. Whew. Good fun, absolutely real good fun this. That's the summit. Real good fun. Such good fun. Freaking sketchy as though. Other people might disagree with me. Okay, I found that freaking crazy. There's a path down there. It's going to go all the way around, I think. I don't know. Getting to the top of that's going to be freaking technical stuff. We'll see. Wow, it's like a cathedral, isn't it?
I don't want to put my coat on.
I know. Just came from down there, and now we're following all this track up here, and then that's the top. Apparently that's called Adam and Eve as well. You say your name was Chris?
Yeah.
It's lucky I met Chris, because he seems to know the way, whereas I ain't got a clue. This is probably one of the best treks I've ever done. So good. So good to do something a bit more technical. A little bit more like, what's the word? Definitely out of my comfort zone, which is a good thing. But yeah, I don't know if you can hear me, I'll subtitle if we can't, but there's a trail down there now. I'm going to go down past this lake, back and around, and maybe if I can get on top of that one, and then back down, because I've still got most of the day. So yeah, here we go. This has got to be one of the best treks I've ever done, like pushing myself a little bit further and doing something that I don't usually do. A lot of scrambling and going up some pretty steep kind of gullies and things like that. That was really cool. Something that I've never done before in that kind of style, which is really good. Usually it's just walking and things like that. But a little bit of scrambling and climbing has seen me well today. So this is a lovely lake. The car is like back down here, but I'm gonna just kind of keep walking and see how far I get. It's only like 12:30, so got plenty of time to see how far I can go. I'm here at this massive gully and it's got this wicked waterfall going down it, but I don't know if I can get all the way up there to the top through the gully. And if I actually start going up there, some of the boulders are just so huge, I don't even know if I can actually get on top of them. So I can either go this way and possibly get up there and then cross the gully, which is huge. Or I've got to turn back. There's where I was earlier, the summit. Just look at the size of some of them boulders. Ridiculous. Oh, I just really want to get up there. I'm going to try going this way. I think it's less risky, because I don't want to end up going all the way up there and having to come back down here. I want to be able to go up to the top, get the view, and then come all the way back down past the lake down there.